Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of exporting Google Workspace data. Navigating the digital landscape can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to manage and export data within Google Workspace efficiently. But don't worry, you're in great hands today as we walk through this process step by step. This tutorial is designed to empower you with all the knowledge you need to handle this task quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Workspace homepage to begin. Make sure you have navigated to the correct website, which is essential for starting this process properly. Once there, the site will prompt you to choose your Google account. It's important to select the account you use specifically for your Google Workspace purposes. Although this might seem like a basic step, ensuring that you are using the correct account can save you a lot of time and headaches down the line. After you have selected your Google account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment to type it in carefully, as ensuring the security of your password is crucial. Never share your password or enter it on suspicious websites to protect your data. Once your password is entered, look for the Next button and click on it to proceed. This will lead you further into your account management options. Now, this next step is where some people might get a bit lost, so follow closely. At the top right of your screen, you'll see an icon with 9 square dots, which is Google's universal symbol for more options. Click on this icon to reveal the various apps and tools available within Google Workspace. From here, we are moving into a more administrative realm, where you need to access the admin console. If you are unsure where to find the admin console, look for a link or navigate directly to admin.google.com. This should take you to exactly where you need to be. The admin console is your command center for all things related to Google Workspace, allowing you to manage users, devices, and settings efficiently. Within the admin console, your next destination is the data section. Stay with us, as this is simpler than it sounds. The data option is designed to give you control over the information your Google Workspace holds. Now, head over to the Data Import and Export section. Google has thoughtfully designed this feature to empower users like you and me to manage how data moves in and out of our workspace. This is especially crucial for tasks such as backups or migrating data to another service. Finally, you're going to click on Data Export. This is the gem we've been searching for. Google's Data Export feature is crafted to make exporting your data straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you're leaving Google Workspace, backing up your data, or simply need a copy for record keeping, this tool is here to assist you. And just like that, you're all set to export your Google Workspace data. Remember, the internet is vast and can sometimes be intimidating. But with guides like this, you are never alone in navigating it. Prioritizing safety, security, and efficiency is key. Thank you for following along with this guide on exporting Google Workspace data. Whether you're doing this for security reasons, for a backup, or for transitioning to another service, knowing how to export your data is an invaluable skill in the digital age. Remember to take it step by step and you'll do just fine. Happy exporting!